Hello, and thank you for taking some time today to join us to learn about our Junior Ironmen Robotics team here at ASP. We're going to do something fun today, but we want to tell you a little bit about our robotics team first. Junior Ironmen Robotics here at ASP is a 6th through 8th grade program. We work with Don Bosco Prep and their student mentors and several other Catholic schools in the area in order to prepare robots to complete specific missions at competitions. These competitions are held through the first LEGO League competition series, which begins in elementary school and continues through high school. Currently, ASP has 2 teams, one comprised of 7th and 8th graders and the other 6th graders. We're hoping to start a 3rd team with our rising 6th graders for this fall. Now that you've learned a little bit about what we do in a robotics season, we'd like to try to do something together at home. What we're going to work on today is something called a Rube Goldberg.
Making a group of parts come together and perform a function is an everyday job of scientists, engineers, designers, and makers. Anticipating how things in the physical world will interact when they encounter each other is foundational to creating the machines we have come to count on in our daily lives. A Rube Goldberg is a fun way to explore how everyday items might be incorporated into a larger system and provides a means to learn about and gain an intuition for the interactions common in our surroundings. As you try to create a broader system with things you find around you, take some time to notice. What happens when parts collide? Is the reaction the same every time? Are there certain interactions you think will happen and they don't? Do you need to adjust how hard or softly objects in your design collide? Do you need to slow down or speed up certain components? Have some fun and see what you can do. How many parts can you add and still achieve the objective?
Take the next few seconds to look at our version of a Rube Goldberg. Now take a look at the different parts of our machine. Now, rewatch the machine. Did you see new movements? Things you didn't notice the first time? Did you notice some of the missions? Do they look familiar from the robotics table? Now it's time to watch the professionals. Be prepared to be blown away at their creativity. what did you think of that? It certainly impressed me. Now it's your turn. The challenge is for you to build your own machine. It can be large or small, out of cardboard tubes or Legos or both, or even just using sticks from the yard. Then upload to Google Classroom and let us see your creativity. I know ASP students can be super creative, and we can't wait to see them.